Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks. And today we are going to bring in some news from MyPillow CEO Mike Lindell, who says that the products were dropped from major retailers after voter fraud claims. Let me tell you that election experts have uniformly declared that 2020 election was conducted fairly. We have some important details around this news, hence please watch the complete video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it so far. So let's get started. My Pillow CEO and ardent Trump supporter Mike Lindell says his products have been dropped by major retailers like Bed and Bath and Beyond and Kohl's after his repeated false claims of voter fraud in the presidential election. Lindell told on Monday that HEB stores Wayfair and Canada's Today's Shopping Choice channel had also stopped selling his products. My Pillow, the bedding company with commercials starring Lindell, is based in Chaska, Minnesota. In an email, said that a group has attacked my vendors and that the retailers called him saying that they had been threatened with a boycott if they don't comply and drop his products. A representative of Today's Shopping Choice confirmed that My Pillow products would no longer be sold on the channel. A Bed Bath and Beyond spokesperson said the decision to stop selling My Pillow was in company's economic interest. We are continually improving our product assortment, the retailer said. As previously announced, we have been rationalizing our assortment to discontinue a number of underperforming items and brands. This includes the My Pillow product line. Spokespeople for the other three vendors did not immediately respond to a request for comment. Lindell has maintained that the fraud led to President Donald Trump's losing the election in November. He has used his Twitter account, where he has nearly 474,000 followers, and the MyPillow account to specifically spread falsehood that machine voter fraud led to President-elect Joe Biden's victory. Claims of voter fraud have been widely rejected, although election experts have uniformly declared that the 2020 election was conducted fairly. A union of every senior federal and state official who oversaw the election declared it the most secure in American history. My Pillow was dropped from the retailer's shelves and sites after lawyers for Dominion Voting System, one of the biggest election equipment manufacturers in US, sent a letter to Lindell threatening legal action if he did not retract his defamatory accusations and issue an apology after accusing Dominion of election fraud and stealing millions of votes. Your smear campaign against Dominion has been relentless, and you have leveraged your significant social media following to inflict the maximum amount of damage to Dominion's good name and business operations, said the Gen 8 letter. Despite your repeated promises not to mention your considerable and costly efforts to bankroll a so called investigation into Dominion, you have failed to identify a scintilla of credible evidence that even suggests that Dominion is somehow involved in a global conspiracy to harvest millions of votes in favor of President-elect Biden. The letter said, of course, this is because no such evidence exists. The letter followed a December 23rd warning from Dominion lawyers to Lindell. It noted that Dominion sued lawyer Sidney Powell to this month for falsely claiming that Dominion had rigged the election. The Dominion was created in Venezuela to rig election for Hugo Chavez, and the Dominion bribed Georgia officials for a no-bid contract. The Dominion is requesting damages of more than $1.3 billion. Powell has not responded to repeated requests for comment. In his email, Lindell said, all the evidence against Dominion is before the Supreme Court. China and others used the machine to corrupt our election. Here is one page of proof. The email did not include an attachment. When asked if he had mistakenly omitted it, Lindell sent another email with an empty attachment and a third with screenshots of illegible text. So that's all we have in news today in regards to My Pillow CEO saying that his products were dropped from major retailers after voter fraud claims. Please continue to watch this space because we'll keep on bringing in more news as and when we get it, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching me so far, and you have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.